Let's talk about the cutest little vibe that's making waves. Literally, I have the Play With Me Splash. It's so cute and it's perfect for the tub, for travel, or just for having the time of your life. Splash has some serious main character energy and is made with 100% body-safe silicone. It has that satin-smooth ultra silk finish that glides over the skin. Just add a little water-based lube and oomph, you're in for a treat. And yes, she's totally waterproof, so she can soak right alongside you in the bath or shower. Splash has 10 powerful vibration modes and is USB rechargeable, so you can play wherever and whenever you desire. Not to mention, it's adorably travel-friendly and easy to pack with you. Just toss it in the bag and go. Honestly, Splash is tiny but mighty, so whether you choose to use her like this, where you're getting a little bit more area of skin with that vibration, or in this pinpointed beak, she's ready to give you some serious pleasure. So be sure to come and take a splash.